Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
You're welcome to our pharmaceutical calculation continuous assessment on the topic pharmaceutical measurement. So without wasting time, if I call you, you come out and pick 3 numbers from here, then we'll take it off from there. All right, I want to call on Odigwe Blessing. Come out. Odigwe Blessing, come out. Fast. Pick your question. Please, no noise, please. Pick your questions. 66. Oh, yeah. 27. The last one. 100 has been answered yesterday. Pick another one. 78. Answered yesterday. 78. Oh yeah. What did you use as an example yesterday?
900.
It's 100. So I can't. No, she has picked another number. All right, take. Chinaya, give her marker. $27. 27, 66, and 78. Okay, 27 says 1/9 grain is equal to dash milligram. 66 says 1.5 liter. Please don't compete with someone on here. Please don't. 1.5 liter is equal to dash mil. 78 says 9,000 mil is equal to dash tablespoon. Your time starts now. Are you done? All right. Shout what she did. One grain, yeah. 1 grain is how many milligram? 1 grain is what? 5 milligram. Therefore, 1/9 grain. 1/9 what? Grain is equal to what? X, right? So X is equal to what? 1 grain, 1/9 grain, right? Times what? 65 milligram over what? 1 grain. Grain cancels grain. 65 divided by 9 is what? 7.22. Okay, thank you. Then 1.5 liter. 1 liter is what? 1,000 what? Mil. Right? So 1.5 liter is equal to X. X is equal to what? 1.5 liter times what? 1,000 mil over what? 1 liter. So you have 1,500 what? Mil. Then 9,000 mil. Between mil and tablespoon. 1 tablespoon is equal to what? 15 mil, right? Yes. Therefore, 9,000 mil is X. X is equal to what? 1 tablespoon times what? 9,000 mil over what? 15 mil. Mil cancels mil. 9,000 divided by 15 is what? 600 tablespoon. Correct. Thank you. Okay. All right, children, pick your questions. Oh yeah. Fast. 34, 69, 60. I go to the board. 34, 69, 60. 34, 69, 60. All right, 34 says 1,500 milligram. 1,500 milligram is equal to dash grains. Then 60 says, write it. Let's follow it. I know. Write 60. You know what I'm saying? 60 says 1 liter is equal to dash mil. 69 says 2.25 microgram. 2.25 microgram is equal to dash milligram. Your time starts now. Your time is up. All right, number 34 says, convert this to what? Don't convert 1,500 milligrams to what? Grain. As we know that 1 grain is what? 65 what? Milligrams. So that means 1,500 what? Milligram is X. X is now equal to what? 1 grain times 1,500 milligram over what? 65 what? Milligram. 1,500 divided by 65 is what? It's what? 23 point what? Grain. 6 is 1 liter. This one is 6 now. 1 liter is what? 100 mil, right? So no need. Here, we should convert 2.25 microgram to what? Milligram. Remember that 1 microgram is 3 per what? Minus 3 what? Milligram, right? So that means 2.25 what? Microgram is X. X is now equal to simply do what? 2.25 times 3 square what? 3, which is 0. Blah 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 blah. 0. What? Movements 1, 2, 3. 0.0 what? 0.00222 what? 5 milligram. Thank you. Jadi no come out. Oh, bialo, manobia. Oh yeah. Pick your question. Pick your questions. 76. Oh yeah. 52. This man on DK. 80. Oh yeah. Read them out. Take marker. 52. 76, 80. 76, 80. 52 says 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to dash gram. Dash gram or dash milligram. Or dash milligram. Dash milligram. Milligram. As from male, male 7 Shay, 52 says, sorry, thank you. 76 says, grain, just simply write 1 over 150 grain. 50 grain, yes. Is equal to dash milligram. Milligram. 80 says, a pharmacy technician, yes. A pharmacy technician is to fill a prescription of aminophylline. Okay. Okay, let me read the question again, please. A pharmacy technician is to fill a prescription for aminophylline 10 grain tablets. Okay, 10 grain. Tablets available in 500 milligrams. How many tablets should the pharmacy technician give? All right, your time starts now. Your time is up. All right, thank you. Number 1 says 1 kilogram to gram or milligram. What is the answer? 1 kilogram is how many grams? 1,000 watts gram. Or how many milligram? How many milligram? 1 million watts milligram. 1 gram is 1,000 microgram. Where do you get microgram from? Huh? What's going on here? 76 says 150 grain. 1 over 150 grain is equal to 1 milligram. Remember that 1 grain is equal to what? 65 watts milligram. That means 1 over 150 grain is equal to what? X. X is equal to what? 1 over 150 grain times what? 65 watts milligram over what? 1 grain. Grain will cancel grain. 65 divided by 150 is what? 0. What? 4 what? 43 milligram, right? Yes, 0. What? But is it supposed to be in this form? Is it supposed to be in this form? What did I say about this? So leave it in what? Fraction. So we have what? This is 13, right? And this is what? Is it 10? No. 30. 5 divided 65 is what? 13. 5 divided 150 is what? 50. So the answer is what? 13 over what? 50 what? Sorry, 30 what? Grain. This is the lowest form it can be. Nothing can divide again. So we have 13 over what? 30 grain. What did you get? 1.3 grain. What is going on here? I don't like what I'm seeing here. I don't know what I'm seeing here. Number 8, it says, a pharmacy technician is to fill a prescription for aminophylline 10 grain what? Tablet. 10 grain what? Tablets. So that means 1 tablet has how many grain? 10, right? Yes. So that means 1 tablet contains what? 10 what? Grain. Then, but 500 milligram tablet is available. How many tablets should the technician give? The amount, the strength available is a milligram. So we just simply convert this to what? Milligram. 1 grain is 65 milligram. That means 10 grain is how many milligram? 650 watts. 650 watts milligram. So 1 tablet contains what? 650 watts milligram. Then how many tablets will contain 500 watts? milligram. So X is now equal to what? 1 tablet times what? 500 milligram over what? 650 what? Milligram. What's the answer? This divide this. So, fast. What's the answer? 600 divided by, sorry. 500. Huh? No. 0. What?
0.77.
I'm coming. Wait.
What is 500 divided by 650? 10 over 10. So beautiful. I did 600. 0.79.
Huh? The answer is what? 0. What?
796.
0.7 what?
769.
69 what?
Tablet.
Can you get 0.769 tablets?
No.
Just give what?
1 tab.
Okay? Even though this drug, this is just for calculation purposes, okay?
Yeah.
This drug, aminophylline is not a drug you can just close your eyes and give anyhow, okay?
Yeah.
Am I communicating? It's not a drug you can just close your eyes and give anyhow. Just know that this is for the purpose of what? Calculation. But using common sense, you should give what? 1 tablet. But when it comes to what is it called? Proper dispensing, the actual precision may not be like this, okay? Am I communicating? Yes. But just know the reason why, just for the purpose of what? Calculation. So what is good? But the answer should be, leave the answer like this. We understand, okay? If we yes, 0.7, leave it like that. Don't write 1. Okay? But we know that in practical. What did she tell you now?
1 tablet. Sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm going to go now. If we get it. Okay. All right. Sit down. Is it come out? You're feeling fine. I don't understand. See, from today onwards, if you miss my quiz, also get an excuse. You will not do it again until exam period. And all the quizzes you miss will be written one day. I'll sit you down, you solve everything one day. From today onwards, no more excuse. Whether you take excuse, it's your business. Whether you are going for burial, it's your business. We have missed that one. You have missed it. If you want to do it, it will be toward the exam. You can't be taking us off, back, up, back. I won't take it again because people are hiding under that nonsense. Some will run away and come back. No, I won't take it again from today onwards. So if you are missing now, know that we are doing exam period. You write it. So make your choice. Come and pick your questions. Pick your questions. Sorry. I'm picking for you, don't mind me. Oh, yeah. Okay? Again, 3. Okay. 2, 3, 29. My chicken and a lot of it. All right, 2, 3 what? 29. Okay, let's go. Are you ready? You receive a doctor's order. Number 2. You receive a doctor's order for 5 grams of drug B, full stop. 5 grams of drug B, full stop. What is the equivalent in kilograms? Number what? 3. Number 3 says you receive a doctor's order for 250 milligram of drug C. 250 milligram of drug C. Full stop. What is the equivalent in microgram? (29) says 1/2 grain is equal to dash milligram. Your time starts now. All right. Number 2 says 5 grams of drug B. Okay, just simple. Just convert 5 grams to what? Kilogram. Simple. A very long story. So, of course, you know that 1 kilogram is what? 1,000 what? Gram. Who said milligram now? 1 kilogram is 1,000 what? Gram. So that means 5 grams is now how many kilogram? 5 grams is now what? 1 kilogram times what? 5 grams over what? 1,000 gram. Gram cancels gram. So we have what? 0. What? 0.005 what? Kilogram. Thank you. Next one says just simply convert 250 milligram to what? Microgram. Simple. So you have 250 milligram is equal to what? 1 what? Microgram. Which is equal to what? X. Are we together? We want to convert it to what? Microgram. So that means what am I even doing, sir? 1 microgram, 1 milligram is what? 1,000 what? Microgram. That means 250 milligram is how many what? Microgram. We call it X. So that means X is now equal to what? 250 milligram times what? 1,000 microgram over what? 1 milligram. Milligram cancels milligram. 250 times 1,000 is equal to what? 250,000 what? Microgram. Correct. Then 1 grain, we are converting grain to what? Milligram. 1 grain is equal to what? 65 for milligram. That means half grain is equal to what? X. X is equal to what? 1/2 times what? 65, which is equal to what? 2.5 milligram. 5 what? Milligram. Because that is the half of it. Correct. Thank you. Thank you very much. You are 003, right? Okay. 003, number 2. Number 3. Number 29. Okay, I've marked it already. All right. Mirabel, come out. Pick your questions. Okay. Is it? It's 181. All 81. Yeah, right. Oh yeah. 6. 3. Oh yeah, clean the board. Mirabel picked number 6. 6, 81, and 93. 6, 81, 93. 6, 81, 90 what? 3. All right, number 6 says, How many milliliters are in 2 tablespoons? How many milliliters are in 2 tablespoons? Number 81 says, in weighing or measuring pharmaceutical ingredients, where losses are unavoidable, a maximum error of dash is generally permissible. Where losses are unavoidable, full stop, a maximum error of dash is generally permissible. Number 93. To avoid errors of greater than 5%. To avoid errors of greater than 5% when using a balance with sensitivity requirement of 6 mg. The pharmacy technician should not weigh an ingredient. Less than dash milligram. Your time starts. Okay, sorry. Your time starts now. I want to train pharmacy technicians that are grounded. Very, very grounded, not just solving calculation up and down. If you are asking questions in that, you can't even explain it very well. Grounded in what you are doing. This is just one sentence. What is the name of the weight? This weight, it has a name. What is it? What is that weight called? So you may be doing calculation, boom, boom, boom. You don't even know what you're calculating. You are told, do it this way, the formula, boom. When you go for serious engagement, you have a practical application. You don't even know what you are doing. But you have been solving it, getting A. Are you aware? Yes. And I want to avoid that. It's too much this time around. You can't be solving mathematics. If I bring what you did in Maswa and most of you, you don't know what you did. You're just doing it. As a man said. But that's wrong. This is a professional course. You should know what you are doing. I want you to tell me exactly with this weight. We know you did formula. That formula, what is the formula for? The formula for what is that? This thing you quoted now, this formula, what is it for? Onya Amaria. Omana SR over 5%, over percent times the formula. That's the formula for what? Or if you fail at 3, and I'm just about that. Go and formula here. Because do you know why I'm acting like this? I've talked about this thing. I taught you in class. I gave you this thing to go and do what? Review. I gave it to you again. See the steps I took. I taught this in class. Be careful. Be extremely careful. If he gets this answer, you lose 1 mark from your own. Be careful. If I gave you this over how many weeks or even months to go and do what? Review number 1. I taught it in this class number 2. I gave it to you, your missed mistakes, the number 3. You still have it in your phone, number 4. Today again, I gave it to you, number 5. Till now, you don't know the formula you have been using. I don't know. You have 1 minute to go. If you can answer it, you lose 93. Onya, Amalia, go and sit down. If Onya, go and sit down. Now, when I get there, I will know who even knows this is. How many male are in? Please, I want you, if you are reading, read meaning into what you are doing. What? Reading. Study, don't read. Do what? Study. If reading and study are not the same, hope you know. Reading is just a part of what? Studying. If you are studying, you will read something, look into it, understand it. You can go. Discuss it. In your Bible study, what do? Those that go to church. How do you study the Bible? You read first, right? You discuss it, right? The question will be, what do you understand from this passage, right? That is studying. Most of you read, you don't study. You just cram, you solve. You don't know what you're solving. If I bring up differentiation now, I don't know how many people can answer differentiation now. This is what you did few months ago. Me, I did it almost how many years ago. If I bring it up now, I don't know how many people can answer it. You are reading. You should study. You should study. That's what I want you to imbibe. Reading is not the main thing. It's just the first step to what? Studies. Ask yourself, what does it actually mean? What is it all about? Not to put the formula in your head and be going up and down. So here is what? How many meals are this one? This one is not a question now. 1 tablespoon is how many meals? Okay now. That's not 5 meals. Then 1 TBS, sorry. Then we have to do what? 2 what? TBS is how many meals? 30 meals. Thank you. Okay. In weighing or measuring pharmaceutical ingredient where losses are unavailable, what is the maximum error that is permissible? 5%. All right. Now here. What is formula we should use? A formula for what? Least what? Least weighable weight is equal to what? SR over what? AE times what? 100 over what? Times what? 100%. So the least weighable weight is now equal to what? SR is what? Specific requirement is what? Is what? Is what? Where is it? Is it the question? What is the question, please?
Error of greater than 5% when you balance sensitivity requirement of 6 milligrams.
6 milligrams. So 6 milligrams over what? 5 what? Percent is times what? 100%. Percent will do what? Cancel percent. So we are left with what? Milligram. 5 do what? Cancel 100. It's now what? 20. 20 times 6 milligrams is what? 120 what? Milligram. All right. We're calculating. What is it all about? Why are we doing this calculation? What do we tend to achieve in this thing we are doing here? This is what you should be asking yourself as you are studying. It's not just to, this is how from Chatana said it. Let's do it that way. This is how this textbook said it. No. It's not that. It's not that. My course is not where you come and cram up and down. No, I don't promote that. What I promote is for you to really understand what we are doing. And that's why I continuously assess you. That's why I continuously assess you. If not, I'll just teach you and go my way. Maybe towards the exam, I'll just give you one quiz. You write and get 20 over 20. I'll put it in your CA. Give you an exam, you pass, I'll go my way. No, I can't do that. Please, I'm talking about it because I want you to understand what you are doing. And I believe that after today, the way you study will change. Don't just study. No. Ask yourself, study the. For those that read the Bible, they will say, read is not the letters of the word, right? Okay, Victoria, it's not the letters, right? But the what? The spirit behind the what? The letters. That's what you study. It's not just the letters. So study beyond this thing you are seeing. Try to find out what is behind this. Why are they giving us this? Why is Pharmaceutical always coming to talk about this? What is about this? What is it all about? The moment you start reasoning that way, then you are coming closer to why we are here. You are going to get the touch of why we are here. Why we come here every day to teach you. Greater percentage of you are just bother, let me just do this and pass my exam and go my way. No, it's not that. It's not. So go beyond that. Okay, now, everyone come out. Pick your question, everyone. Okay, number 3. $36. What's that? What are you shouting? Jesus, my again. Okay. Number 33, 36, and 87. 33, 36, 87, sorry. 87, yes. 33, 36, 87. Okay, 33 says, that 3 says 120 milligram is equal to dash grain. Dash grain. 36 says 1/2 pounds. 1/2 pounds is equal to dash ounce. $87 says, okay, good, better. It's 7. The time is up. Submit your marker. Okay, now let's look at the number 3 says 120 milligram to what? Grain. Remember that 1 grain is equal to what? 65 what? Milligram. That means S is equal to what? 120 milligram. X is now equal to what? 1 grain times 120 milligram over what? 65 milligram. 120 divided by 65 is what? 65.
1.846.
1.846. Thank you. Then 1 pound. What is the relationship between pound and ounce? 16 ounce make 1. Ezioku. Okay. So 1 pound, 16 ounce, half pound, X. Half times 16, 8. You have a pound, 8 what? Ounce. Thank you. To achieve the desired measurement, the pharmacy technician should carefully observe the meniscus at the where? Eye level. Ezioku. This is the measure. This is the what? Meniscus. You don't look You don't look from the what? Please at the what? I know. God bless you. So,
if I use 12 ounce, make 1 pound.
is this ounce here is this apothecary or Avadepa? OZ, is it apothecary or Avadepa? So what are you saying? So had it been used, what is here is what? Is what? This one is what? Apothecary is what? Drachm, right? Drachm, right? What of apothecary's pounds is what? Ounce is what? So had it been what we have here is this. That's when you can now use what? You know they're asking for what? Apothecary. Is it clear? But this OZ is for what? Avoirdupois. Okay. Victoria, come out. Vicky Desmond. Vicky Desmond. Come on. It makes sense too. Vicky Desmond's Pharmaceutical. Vicky Desmond's Investment Limited.
Hey, Jesus.
Aye. Okay. That means you start looking for the Desmond though. Pick. No time. 37. 89. Is 89. 37. 73. 89. Okay. 37 says. One tablespoon is equal to dash fludrams. (73) says 1/4 liter is equal to dash male. 89. Copy out 89. Yeah. So don't waste time. Copy it out. 89. All right, your time starts now. All right, thank you, Victoria. Let's see what she did. So number 1 says 1 tablespoon is equal to 1 fludram. How many fludrams make 1 tablespoon? Sorry, how many? What is the relationship between fludram and male? What is the relationship between fludrams and male? 1 fludram is what the 5 is it true?
Yes.
Are you sure? If 1 fludram is what? 5 male. How many tablespoons will now be what? 1 tablespoon will now be how many fludrams? That means you should first of all also find the relationship between tablespoon and male. Okay? And 1 tablespoon is how many male? 15 male, right? Good. So that means there are 5 males inside 15 male, right? There are 5 males inside what? 15 male. True or false? So if there are 5 males inside 15 male and 1 fludram is 5 male, that means there are 3 fludrams inside what? Inside what? 1 tablespoon. True or false? So is she correct? I have taken you to another realm. Yeah.
The blind of 4 drams, 15 mil, 1 tablespoon.
Let me see. Okay, you there?
5 million, 10 million, 5, 15 million. But I have to show the solving now. That's why I don't write so sure. There's a mistake in the table because if one is 5 million.
Oh, that's not correct.
And all these were so
Okay. Okay, now, hello. Listen carefully. There's something I also want. On the floor. I don't understand.
Sabi no there.
Has he left? Mr. Boniface, is he there? Mr. Excuse me, I'm coming. Okay, so let's analyze that table. Let me see. Bring that table. Let's analyze it. Okay, look up. Just let me round up. Hello. Hi. Let's analyze it. The table says 1 drop. Listen here. Hello, listen please. Just let me run up, okay? 1 drop is 1 minute, which is what? 0.06. Now, 1 teaspoon is 1 food grams, which is for practical purposes is what? 5 ml, right? 1 dessert spoon is 2 food grams. For practical purposes is what? 10 ml. Then 1 tablespoon is 4 food grams. For practical purposes is what?
15 ml.
Then 2 tablespoons is what? 8 food grams. For practical purposes is what? Now look up. Now, if 1 teaspoon is what? 1 food gram, okay?
Yes.
Please, this thing is an error.
Okay.
Is error, please.
Which one is error?
The one on the top.
When 1 teaspoon is 1 food gram, common sense should tell you. Am I communicating? Common sense should tell you that 1 tablespoon is what? 3 what? Food grams. Okay? See. There's a basic thing you just need to know. Other things are based on that what? Basic thing. Am I communicating? The basic thing you should know here is that 1 teaspoon is what? 1 food gram. So if I'm here, I'm teaching you and I told you that maybe I taught you last time. I told you that one teaspoon is what? 1 food gram. Then when I was calling out, you can be calling out numbers and make mistake, 2 of us. Yes, then on calling all those things, I called 4 food grams. You just carry it like that. No, that's wrong, okay? You should know that it is 1 tablespoon should be what? And also 1 dessert spoon is what? 2 what? Food grams. Therefore 1 tablespoon should be what? 3 food grams. Then 2 tablespoons should be how many food grams? 6 food grams. Please correct it, please. I beg you. Correct it, please. Is what? Yeah, I want to say that anything. Huh? She has already solved it correctly. So here is 3 what? Food grams. Thank you very much. In fact, I'll give you another RC. I like people that reason. See, this is level I want to train you to. It's not just about it's on your own. Think out, look at it by yourself. Make the correction yourself. Am I communicating? Good. It's what? 3 food grams. Now, 1 over 4 liters is how many mil? 1 liter is what? 1 divided by 4 is what? A class A you're making noise, please. A class A prescription balance. Class A prescription balances are designed for small scale compounding. True or false? True. They're designed for what? Small scale. Those ones you do in the lab here, okay? But not for what? Industrial what? True. Thank you very much. All right. So I think we'll stop here for today. We've tried for today, right? We'll continue from where we stop from tomorrow. Any question? Any question? Silence means that you don't have any question. That's me. All right, thank you very much. God bless you.